up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We made a special vehicle, and it's gonna load. I'm pretty happy that we made it. I hope y'all guys gonna like the video. Y'all guys should know what the vehicle is. Yeah, y'all guys definitely should know what this vehicle is. Flat nasty, boys. Alright, I love this. It actually turned. Holy crap, Dark. Your map is a little laggy. Just a little bit. Flat nasty can handle it, though. But yeah, we made Flat Nasty. I saw many people doing it, and they did it in blue. It's supposed to be green. Kind of like this green, you know? But this is Flat Nasty, boys. Yeah, I like Flat Nasty. It's actually a good truck. And this has actually turned out to be decent. Oh, we gotta do Dark's trail over here. I remember this. Fastest person on her, I think, was Dark. I think he actually beat his own time on her. I wouldn't be surprised if he did, though. But anyway. Flat Nasty don't got good turning, but that's fine. I think he had rear steer on her out, but I'm not really sure. Oh, this actually does. I wish that they had the sides for Flat Nasty, though, because that would be awesome. But they don't, which is okay. It's really whatever. I don't know. It does not bother me at all. Come on, camera view. It's screwing up on me. I think I got the time score now, bud. Okay, mine. Dark. Catching up, dude. Got it, bro. Oh, look. This thing actually is a nice little Flat Nasty. It's got your headlights, you know, like Flat Nasty does. I get it. The best build, but it's whatever. It's what I can find. We gotta go very slow through this because it's a little dark. I like to put big old rocks in here. On his map, so I don't care. Yeah, he's got a good map, y'all. Like, this is actually the best map that I like to play on. I think it's been updated since I've been here, but I'm not really. Oh, it definitely has. Like, I probably can't even fit my big old Bruce Wilson 3000 big tires on her. Next build coming to the channel, y'all. Monster Max by Cody. Which is actually, Cody is Willis on Diesel. Oh! Beep, 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 beep. There we go. This is a cool update. Holy crap, Dark. You're becoming a freaking scientist. What the heck is he pulling? A dang tractor with that thing? Cool. Dark's actually really good at this. I never thought he freaking built this. He's updated it major since I've been here last time. Heck yeah, Dark. Okay, am I gonna make this? Probably not. Wait, when is that a cave? Wait, what? Dark. When did you put that to be a cave, dude? Like, we're gonna get in there. Flat Nasty's gonna make it in there. Told you. But that was cool, though. Like, that's cool, Dark. I'm gonna be back it on up, Flat Nasty. No, I like this. Like, Dark, you did a good job, dude. It's worth every bit of a freaking million votes right here, bud. We're gonna hammer on it through here. And then, I remember the last time I was here. You know, we're gonna hook up to the freaking trailer. We're gonna hook up to this dang trailer. We're gonna see how it does. And yes, I got my name on my trailer, you know, and I wish I had. I'm gonna freaking fix it with this trailer, because if I had flat nasty on the back of this trailer, that'd be like really cool, you know? Holy shit. Oh, jeez. No, I like this old off-road a little bit, though. It's like really cool. That's how he's going dark speed now, man. We're hammering on it like he does. You don't care what it does, you just gonna hammer. Oh. We center a little too hard. Dark. My collision on my camera. Rip. Yeah, anyway. I actually want to give a big ol' shout out to Dark Thunder. Oh, I see myself there. Wait, when is this added? When the heck was this road added? Where's this send me to? Europe? Yo, you did a major update though. Good job, Dark. I'm proud of you, dude. We're gonna turn back around, but anyway. It's like a money trail or something. I know that. I should have done it a long time ago, but never did. Fun nest, it's got a little wobble to him. We're gonna jump it, y'all. We're gonna go high speed. Whoa, 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 flat nasty, slow down. And when was this at it? Yo. Holy crap. Dark. That's awesome. Dude. That's like very awesome, you know? This is like good for like a flexing thing. Holy crap, when did he add mud? No, it's not mud, but still, I like it. Dude, this is awesome, Dark. This is like literally at a big ass update, dude. This is like the best update this map has got. I don't know if you just updated it multiple times or what, but holy crap, Dark. You did a good job, dog. It's been a while since I freaking played this map, though. I mean, it's been forever, about 2 months. I like it, dude. Oh, and this leads... Whoa. Dude. Did I just go back around? What happened? I went back around. Heck yeah. This is awesome, though, Dark. I mean, I think you did an excellent job, dude. Flat Nest even loves it. And he's not much for a rock. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's just getting a little sideways. Dude. Well, the good news is this is a nice map. Like, he did good. Still a little flex in there, bud. Yeah, we probably need to flex some stuff around here. Yeah, Flat Nasty can flex on like anything, you know. He even flexes on his own haters. It's not typical. We're gonna screenshot you, damn phone. If y'all guys like this, make sure to like, subscribe for more, and I will catch y'all guys in the next one. Thank you, Dark, for this update on your map, and bye-bye.